You don't build a business, you build people, and then people build the business. This is our success story. In the depth of every structure lies a substance known as iron. In the depth of producing the iron lies mechanical and technical labor. And in the depth of each labor lies ardent devotion. And in the depth of such strong devotion lies a story. A story that compels us to think beyond profits, expense, or cost. The deep-rooted loyalty not only bleeds in the employees, but has equally captured trust amongst the clients. Besides acknowledging loyal clientele and dedicated employees as the eminent assets of the company, Mughal Steel's pride lies in delivering cutting-edge technology products comprising of steel beams, stainless steel, alloy steel, stainless steel sheets, ferroalloys, and last but not the least, Mughal Steel is the pioneer in introducing earthquake-resistant bars. Today, Mughal Steel is one of Pakistan's largest and innovative manufacturers of quality steel products. Ever since the birth of the company in the early 1950s, Mughal Steel has followed a vertically integrated strategy in producing a high-end product, bestowing responsibility and accountability. This has not only resulted as a yardstick to the quality-assured production, but has also enabled the company to invest in technology, leading to high-tech variety of iron and steel products and